a Blackberry pizza pocket.
I'm excited.
So this is just store-bought pizza dough.
Rolled out to about a 1/4 inch thick.
And we have about a 4-inch round, and just gonna cut me about 6. If you can get 6 out of
Yeah.
there, that'd be great.
Okay.
While I make the ricotta filling, and I have the oil heating to 375 degrees. We need a 1/2 cup of ricotta. Ricotta is kind of a dessert cheese anyway. It adds a little bit of sweetness, but we're still doing pizza dough and cheese, so we're keeping it pizza. And then I'm gonna add in some powdered sugar. I'm also gonna add in a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm just gonna stir this together. Oh, I'm gonna put some pretty green basil as my nod to the pizzeria in here. A couple of pretty leaves.
Got my last round happening.
You're doing a beautiful job. Herbs are really good and sweet. I think sometimes people think herbs have to just go in savory.
I wouldn't have thought of basil for this, but I'm excited.
Oh, it smells good.
It does smell good. I love basil.
All right, stir that in. And I'm just gonna add about a scant tablespoon of filling. Oh, I missed a little piece of basil in that one. You gotta have basil.
Gotta have basil in every one.
And then you're gonna
Okay.
top it with a blackberry.
All right. Ooh, ready for the blackberry. These are so cute.
And I'm gonna pick this up and seal it into a little pocket, a little pouch. Give me a blackberry.
Blackberry.
Thank you. I do love fried sweet dough, I will say.
Please, yes.
All right, I'm gonna get these in to start
Okay.
frying up.
I'll keep working on this one.
And I'm just letting them get brown on the bottom. I'm gonna flip them over and let them brown on the other side. That looks good. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Golden brown. All right, I feel like these are ready to come up. That is beautiful.
Wow.
And I'm just taking them off to drain some of that oil off onto the paper towel.
And now our second batch goes in until golden on both sides.
Whoa!
Okay, these are ready. Just take these out. And then we're gonna put them on a pretty little plate. And then I'm just gonna top these with a little bit of powdered sugar. Or a lot.
Or a lot.
'Cause why not?
Oh my gosh, yes. Ooh, yum.
Dessert pizza is our pregame for bowling. All right, let's give these a try.
I'm ready. Oh, there's the blackberry. Look at that.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh, yum.
I'm going in. Just a little sweet to cap off the meal.
That's good. I love the basil with that.
It's a nice little touch.
Yeah, it is.